Welcome. Today we explore what if Earth stopped rotating for 1 second. Every expert was once a beginner. Imagine a single second of Earth halting its rotation completely. Non-rotation stops the daily spin of the planet on its axis. First, the Coriolis effect would vanish, leaving all moving objects to fly straight. Then, frictional forces inside the oceans and atmosphere would cause massive collapse. Next, tectonic plates, grinding against each other, would shatter mountain ranges instantly. Finally, the solid Earth itself would begin a violent spin in the opposite direction. Centrifugal force at the equator equals gravity minus rotation speed squared radius. 1 second of stopping would generate winds exceeding Mach 1.3 globally. Magnetic currents stop causing, leaving the planet vulnerable to solar radiation damage. There are two primary effects: tidal bulge formation and magnetic field collapse. The atmosphere would rush upward, forming a shockwave that destroys every non-Arctic landmass. A visual: the Earth spins rapidly against a frozen sky while ice sheets crash inland. A neural network diagram traces how magnetic current flow stops abruptly. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Neural Frames for more educational content.